Hey, what's up, everybody? I had a lot of plans, goals, and aspirations today, which did not work out. But we will be transplanting and hanging this bad boy tomorrow. This is a Slim 750S by Optic LED. Well made. I like the design a lot. I really don't have any complaints there so far. And another thing I want to add is that it was packaged really well. I've received some lights that were just an absolute goddamn mess. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some directions here in a second. And no, we're not. I cannot read that shit. I do not have the patience. I'm sure you all understand. So yeah, this is the driver. When I opened this box, I was like, this thing is a goddamn monster. And it is. That driver weighs like 30, 40 pounds. And for a driver, that's pretty heavy. But this will be mounted outside of the tent. I do that to keep the heat down. I recommend if anybody has that issue, they do the same. It'll be mounted right on my wall. But anyway, that's all the time I have. I gotta go. Thank you.